Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Snapchat and how to find nearby friends in 2025. First things first, let's make sure your Snapchat account is set up properly for friend discovery. To find friends nearby, you need to enable location services. Here's how you do it. Now, let's use the Add Nearby feature. Follow these simple steps. Managing your privacy is important. Here's how to keep your information safe while making new friends. Besides Snapchat, there are other methods to connect with nearby users. Let's explore those. Once you've connected, here are some great tips to engage with your new friends. Snapchat has excellent safety features. Here's what you need to know to stay safe. Encountering issues while adding friends? Here's how to troubleshoot common problems. That's it for our guide. Go out there and make some new friends on Snapchat.